Right, moving on, grade 11s, we are on 4.2 now, still question 4, the logarithms. 4.2, you are required to show that 2 log 3 minus log 27 divided by log 1 over 9 multiplied by the logarithm of 100 is equals to 1 over 4. So you should choose a side here. It's either you choose this side to prove that this side is equals to 1 over 4, or you choose this side to prove that is equals to that. But what will be much more easier is to choose the side that has more information, which in this case it will be the left hand side. So we're going to take the left hand side here. Left hand side being 2 log 3 minus log 27 log 1 over 9 log 100. Now remember, if these logs are not written the basis here, it simply means that this is still the same as log 3 base 10, this is still the same as log 27 base 10, this is log 1 over 9 base 10, this is log 100 base 10. If the base is not written, that simply means it is base 10. You should also remember that. Now let us simplify this to show that the answer we are going to get here will be 1 over 4. So we have 2 log 3 there minus, look at this one, it is written as a prime base now. So we should change this one to write it as a prime base also, which will be log of what? Log of 3 cubed. 3 is a prime base. We are fine on that side. Now we have log, this one, how can we write it? We can write it as what? As 9 to the exponent of minus 1. One can say this one, simplifying it further to write it as a prime base, one can say here this is 3 to the exponent of negative 2, because if it was positive 2 it will give you 9 and not 1 over 9, but we write it as negative 2 so that we can have 1 over 9 when you simplify it. Multiplied by what? Multiplied by logarithm of how can we write 100 as a prime base? It should be 10 squared here. It should be 10 squared there. So we're going to have 2 log 3. We apply which law here? We apply which law here? We apply the logarithm of a squared is equals to 2 log a. We apply it there. So we're going to have minus 3 log 3. All over, we apply the same thing again there. Minus 2 log 3. Multiplied by what? You apply the same rule that you have applied there, which will be 2 log of what? Log of 10. Now look at this. Now remember what we said. We said if the base is not written, it simply means this is log 3 base 10, this is log 3 base 10. So same applies to this one. This is log 10 base 10. And remember, if you have log 10 base 10, or you have log 2 base 2, or log 3 base 3, that will give you 1. So this will cancel that. So you are left with 2 inside the bracket there. So look at this now. You have 2 log 3 minus 3 log 3. This is still the same as 2x minus 3x. What will be the answer here? It will be minus x. So same applies to this one. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 3. It will give us minus log 3. All over what now? All over what? We have minus 2 log 3 multiplied by 2, because log 10 base 10 has cancelled there to give you 1 that one. So minus 2 log 3 multiplied by 2. Negative 2 times 2 will give you negative 4 log what? Log 3. So you have log 3 divided by log 3. This will cancel that. So you are left with minus 1 over minus 4. So negative divided by negative, they will give you positive 1 over 4. Therefore, the left hand side equals to what? Equals to the right hand side. We have proven that what is on the left hand side, it can give you 1 over 4.